We're in the Viva Terra studio, and I'm going to show you how to do a fabulous cocktail called the TerraTini for your holiday winter parties. To your shaker, you're going to put in 1.5 ounces of your favorite vodka. You're going to put in 1/2 ounce of Aperol, 2.5 ounces of White-Cran-Peach Juice, and some ice. We're going to give it a shake. And when it's nice and frosty cold, we will pour it into our drink. Don't go all the way up because the final flare is coming. And I'm going to put a little bit of soda, just a splash, to give it a little bit of bubblies. Either get yourself a little machine or get yourself a bag of cotton candy that you can probably find at the grocery store. Once your machine gets really hot, you'll start to see the little sugar spin, like little fine little strings of deliciousness. Take your wand and you'll start gathering. So you want to make sure that you've got a nice little poof ball towards the end of the cone, and that'll be a lot easier to manipulate. Okay, depending on how big and how dramatic you want to go, I'm going to stop it right here. Okay, once you have your cotton candy, however tall you want it, just set it onto an empty glass so you can prepare your little half popsicle stick. Now these are good because they're flat and they'll sit right on the edge of your glass. So just take the stick and towards the bottom of your cone, of your cotton candy ball, try to get it as flat as possible, but so that it doesn't fall into the cocktail. Because once it falls in, it starts to melt. And just set it right on the edge of your glass. That. And then you can just prep all of these before your guests come, and they'll be so beautiful. Once your guests are ready to get their cocktail, you will then let the beautiful little cotton candy ball fall right into your cocktail, and voila, magic.